How to find out if someone has blocked you on Instagram story. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can find out if someone has blocked you on Instagram story. If the person who used to post a lot of stories before and used to watch them is now suddenly not posting any stories, then it might be that they have blocked you. Now if they posted a lot of stories before and now suddenly they have stopped and their stories doesn't pop up on your stories or on your stories section, then it might mean that they have blocked you. Now the easiest way to do so is head over to the profile icon here on the bottom right corner of your screen, and then you'll get the option to add another account. Now what you want to do is create a dummy account, create another account and head into that account and search into the person's profile. And then on profile, if you can see their story from the other account and you can't see the story from your main account, then it might mean that they have blocked your account or they have blocked you from viewing their story. So this is the only way you can know that someone has blocked you on Instagram story. There is no any other options that you can view or you can see. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.